All right, and we're back. This is just another quick unwrapping, unboxing, anything in between. Now, let me pop this open here. Weather got cold again, which isn't good. But, as you can see, it's a DEKA, a big crank battery for my Street Glide. The one that's in it now, I tend it every time it's parked. It gets a tender connected to it. 6.5 years I'm on. So I don't want to get stranded somewhere. So I figured it's time to buy a new battery. This was the best deal. This was from Battery Mart. It was $139.95 plus the tax. Ended up being $149.95. So that was the best deal around. And the big crank, again, like I said, is made by DEKA. DEKA is who supplies the batteries for the Moco. So your battery from the factory is marked Harley Davidson, but it's made by DEKA. The one that's in it now is DEKA, and like I said, 6.5 years old. So I'll do a video putting it in, show you guys how easy it is. So with that said, I'll see you in the next video.